Today, Apple announced two completely new products, Mac Studio and Mac Studio Display, as well as new Apple Silicon chips. So stay connected for all these new features. My name's Bruce, and if we've met before, welcome back. Otherwise, please like, subscribe and press the bell so I can make more videos like this for you. I also offer online face-to-face support for Final Cut Pro. Click the link above for help. Let's look at the new M1 Ultra Silicon, because that's what takes the new Mac Studio computer to a new desktop computer level. M1 Ultra is essentially two M1 Max components linked together with the fastest of connections. It's a 2.5 terabyte bandwidth. And it can be seen by macOS as just one chip, so there's no need to update any applications that currently run on M1 Macs. There's an astounding 114 billion transistors, and that delivers speeds 7 times faster than the M1 chip. And just looking at the specs for a moment, 128 gigabytes of unified memory, a 20-core CPU, 64-core GPU, and that's 8 times faster than M1, as well as Hardware H.264 for accelerated video encoding. Now let's look at what the M1 chip is used for. The new Mac Studio computer is in essence a double-height Mac Mini, and when it comes with M1 Ultra, it's 3.8 times faster than the currently fastest 27-inch iMac. Mac Studio is available in M1 Silicon for US $19.99 and M1 Ultra for $3,999. And they're both available from the 18th of March. Now let's look at connectivity. There's 4 Thunderbolt ports, 10-bit Ethernet, 2 USB-A and an HDMI port, and that's on the back. On the front panel, 2 USB-C for M1 equipped and 2 Thunderbolt 4 for the M1 Ultra equipped. And both come with an SDXC card slot. It can handle 4 studio displays as well as a 4K TV. And the performance of the M1 Mac Studio. And to put it all into focus for video users, Mac Studio with M1 Ultra can play 18 streams of 8K video. Now for the Mac Studio Display. 27-inch 5K with narrow bezels, and I just love the new option to adjust the display up and down as well as at an angle. There's a 12 megabyte camera and there's 3 microphones, 6 speakers, 3 USB-C ports and a Thunderbolt port to connect to the Mac. Studio Display starts at US $15.99. All in all, I think that Mac Studio and Studio Display are both welcome additions to the Mac desktop lineup. And it's interesting to note there was no comment about a future 27-inch iMac, but there was a hint about a new Mac Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell.